Welcome friends. This is another example on complex numbers and the example is as follows. If z is a complex number such that mod z is equals to 1, then show that z minus 1 over z plus 1 is purely imaginary. What will be your conclusion if z is equals to 1? So let us see how to solve this example. First of all, we shall let z is equals to x plus iota y, and we are given mod z is equals to 1 and mod z is equals to square of real part plus square of imaginary part, and that is equals to 1. So if we further solve it, it will be x square plus y square is equals to 1. We get it by squaring both sides. And now we shall calculate z minus 1 over z plus 1. So z is x plus iota y and here is minus 1, x plus iota y plus 1. And if we put all real values in a bracket, then it will be x minus 1 plus iota y, and here is x plus 1 plus iota y. And now we shall rationalize this complex number by multiplying both numerator and denominator by x plus 1 minus iota y, yani here is x plus 1 minus iota y. And if we solve this value, then it will be, if we multiply x minus 1 with x plus 1, then we get x minus 1 into x plus 1, and if we multiply x minus 1 with this value, then we have minus iota y into x minus 1, and if we multiply plus iota y with this x plus 1, when we get iota y into x plus 1, and if we multiply plus with minus, we get minus. If we multiply iota y with iota y, then we get iota y squared, and here will be x plus 1 square minus iota y whole square. If we further solve this value, then we get x square minus 1, because we can apply the identity here, a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square, and here is iota xy plus iota y. Here we have plus iota xy plus iota y, and here we have plus y square, because iota square is equals to minus 1. If we multiply minus 1 with minus sign, then we get positive sign, and here we have x square plus 2x plus 1, and here is y square. So this value is equals to x square plus y square minus 1 in a single bracket, and now we can cancel out this value with this, then we have 2 iota y, and here we have x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square. Since we have x square plus y square is equals to 1, then if we put x square plus y square equals to 1 here, then we have only 2 iota y over x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square, and we observe that this value is purely imaginary. And if z equals to 1, then our value will be x plus iota y will be equals to 1, and this can be if and only if x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 0, because 1 plus iota 0 is equals to 1. This implies that x equals to 1 and y equals to 0. Then our value of z minus 1 over z plus 1 will be 1 minus 1, and here is 1 plus 1. This means 0, which is purely real. So this is the solution of the whole equation. Thank you.